Minto Long Branch is a LEED certified New York-style townhome community which echoes the unique architecture of historic Long Branch Village and incorporates a 1.2-acre park capturing intimacy while possessing all the attributes of a well-connected and sophisticated big city life. Exceeding the standard starter home, this nearly 1,300 square foot, 3-bedroom and bathroom, 2-level corner unit boasts a sunlit southwest exposure. With its expansive wraparound veranda, it invites gatherings of friends and family on balmy summer days. Far surpassing the ordinary, this home is a sanctuary tailored for a life well lived. An urban and modern community close to the waterfront, with favorite eateries such as 850 Degrees Pizzeria and cafes like Terminal 3 Coffee Roasters. A quick commute to the heart of Toronto, Minto Long Branch is located just steps from the GO station and 501 Queen streetcar. Move into a community that fosters warm friendships, surrounded by trendy amenities, and stay longer in this distinctly modern and open concept townhome. I'm Christina Mracek, broker and founder at We Are Home Real Estate Group with Sutton Summit, and we welcome you to Unit 36 at 145 Long Branch Avenue.